This is recognizing patterns, people. Okay, so the way that we could predict or see what Thoth's incarnations were, some people suspect Thoth. Okay, we got Thoth. We got Hermes. We got Ra. We got what are some of the other gods in Egypt? I don't know, but regardless, if they are all different, say, okay, when you're doing numerology and you're adding up names, basically adding up, H, it would be an 8 because A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and that would be the eighth letter, but then it starts again after 9. It just goes back to 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 9. So, Thoth, for example, okay, so Thoth would be 8628, and that adds up to 10 plus 8 plus 8, 26. So that equals 26. But what is 2 plus 6 is 8. So and that would be my prediction. Thoth would be 8, which is what's the number 8 mean in numerology? It means the infinite. Okay? So 8 is an infinite number because you turn it sideways, and it's also DNA as well. But that's just something different. But the question would be also if you were to see if Thoth would be in different languages, because like his father, Thoth's father was Tothme, and imagine that would be a different number, M-E, let's see, Tothme, 5 and 5, 10 plus 10 is 8. Tothme would have been a 9. 10 plus 8, wait, 10 plus 26, 36, yeah, 9. 9 would be Tothme. You got Hermes, let's find out Hermes. Okay, H is 8, 5, 9, 5, 5, 1. Okay, my prediction is that Hermes is not going to be the same number as Thoth, which is a very obvious statistical common sense that it's chances are it's not. But luckily there were many forms and incarnations, supposedly or apparently, according to Thoth, and people knew him by different names, because you're not going to be the same name every incarnation, and that would be very confusing too when talking in history of time periods and stuff. It's good, that you can explain, I, Thoth, did this back in the day, and this was how Thoth was this time. But I'm sure there were alternations of a little bit in personality based on the experiences of past lives. Regardless, and brain capabilities, genetics. Okay, 13 plus 9, 13 plus 10, 23, 24, 33. Hermes was 33, which that's a rare number, and you're not supposed to. I'm gonna double check that. 13 plus 9, 22. Yeah, 33, and that's another extremely powerful number. Now 8 in numerology, for example, is just known as the infinite number, which is just ironic, and the only number that you could say you would expect Thoth to either be a 33 or or a powerful number, or whatever. But I'm actually interested to know what truth is, because that might actually resonate with Thoth as well, and Thoth, as everyone knows, is all about truth. 2, 9. TST 3, TST 2, and H is 8. 10 plus 12. Truth. 11 plus 5. 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24 equals 6. Now, what do you know? My numerology number is 6, and truth is number 6. So, and ironically, the only tattoo I have on my body is truth, and as you know it adds up to 6. So, that's very interesting as well. Just in my own confirmation in numerology, there's something numerology. And, yeah. Okay. Now, so what have we done? We've done Thoth is the infinite 8, and Hermes is the extremely powerful 33. And if it was any other numbers, if it was 11, that would be pretty powerful. If it was 22, that would be pretty powerful. But my hypothesis is that the other incarnations, they're not always going to necessarily be powerful numbers. They're going to be different numbers, though, and it's going to be very hard to find an incarnation of Thoth or Hermes that would be the same number. Because maybe if, like I said, if Hermes failed at his life path number at 33, and then maybe he'd have another life path number at 33. But essentially, there's lots of different things too. So yeah, all kinds of different deals, something like that. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna go do some research on different names and incarnations of Thoth and get back.